Public Trust is a 501c3 nonprofit environmental organization, and our mission is the zealous protection of the City of Jacksonville's preservation parks and other local, state, and federally protected lands and waters.
This is unique among our area's environmental organizations in that our board is made up entirely of lawyers. So one of the significant things that we do, we are involved in litigation to try to protect the special places of our community.
Through our mission, we're hoping to get people interested in the environment, but also getting them out to these areas and enjoying them in a reasonable and sustainable and responsible way. So whether that's hosting kayak races up and down the St. Johns River or making short movies about the mating habits of fiddler crabs, the point is we need people to know about the special places we have in Jacksonville and just how many great assets we have.
One of the most significant cases that we've handled that just concluded recently was the case that we had against the Port Authority involving the Mayport Village and the cruise terminal. It involved 6 years of litigation. And in the end, the cruise terminal is not going to be built out there, which most of the residents in the village were very much opposed to it. And we thought that that would ruin one of our special places that we have in this community. And we also were able to work with the Port Authority at the end to come up with some creative things that we hope will enhance the village itself. And this is an exciting time for the village as we go forward. So to me, that was one of those special cases that we've handled recently.
In 2015, one thing that we're really excited about is the Pass the Torch event. And that's where we find young environmental leaders and match them up with some older people that have been doing this for a few years. And that way they can show them the ropes. The idea being that when the older generation steps aside or moves on to other things, the younger generation can take over right where they left off, and we can continue this environmental protection for the next few decades. Because you need to reach out to these people. Not everyone in Jacksonville is going to agree with what we do, but you still need to reach out to them, find some common ground, and get some things done.